I'm going to start off by making a lobster claw with my non-dominant hand, which is my left hand, and I'm going to hold the yarn between my thumb, pointer, and middle finger. Then I'm going to take the yarn and wrap it around my fingers backwards, and I'm continuing to hold the yarn between my 3 fingers. So now I'm just taking my hook and sliding it underneath the yarn and grabbing that working yarn and twisting it towards myself. And this will form one loop on the hook. Then I'm taking my working yarn again and I'm going to yarn over and just pull that working yarn through the loop on the hook. And now I have a complete magic circle. So in this next clip, I'm just laying the circle flat and moving the tail end out of the way so I can continue to work into the circle. And then here you can see if I pull on the tail end, I can make the circle smaller. And then if I pull on the circle itself, I can make the circle larger. Now we're going to start actually working into our magic circle. So I'm going to chain up 2, and to make a chain stitch, all you do is yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. And we are going to work double crochets into our circle, but these 2 chains are not going to count as a double crochet. To start off my first double crochet, I'm going to yarn over and just insert the hook right in the middle of my magic circle. Then yarn over again and pull up a loop. So you now have 3 loops on the hook. Then yarn over again and pull through the first 2 loops. Then yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. So I just completed my first double crochet, and I'm just going to continue making double crochets into the magic circle until I have 10 of them. So now I have 10 double crochets in my magic circle. So I'm just pulling on the tail end as hard as I can to tighten the circle, and I'm going to close the circle by making a slip stitch into the first double crochet. And to do that, I'm just taking my hook and inserting it into the first double crochet stitch into that little V shape, then yarn over and pull through, and just continue to guide the yarn through the loop on the hook. And then you have a complete circle.